examinations. I've already inspected the engine to see what could have been the problem. So eventually I discovered that the camshaft of the engine is already bad, so we need to change it. If you can see the face, the surface of the camshaft is already kind of having a bruises on the surface. See, you can see. So it need to be very smooth, but this time around it's like the hole inside the camshaft is not true to supply the oil to the engine. So we need to get that sorted out, change the camshaft, and the, what is it called, the timing chain. The timing chain also need to be fixed, need to be replaced. So two of these camshafts need to be replaced. One, I've already put one down here. See another one here. Two of them need to be replaced. So the problem of this engine, why I open it, is because the engine was making rattle noise. The engine was making noise, blah 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 blah. The normal engine is supposed to be sound very smooth and sound and clear. So now we're going to rectify the issue now. Change this one, the camshaft, and at the same time these two camshafts, and at the same time we'll change this tensioner. This one needs to be changed as well. So by the time we change all of this, the engine will sound very smooth and better. So just stay tuned until we finish it. Then we'll come back to see the finishing line of the job.